Hello, Honors Pre-Calculus students. Today's learning target is to graph the cotangent graph. So I'm just going to mark 2 pi, pi, pi over 2, 3 pi over 2 on my axes. I'll also go in the negative direction. And like with tangent, we're going to make a little xy table. So if you were to plug in 0, the cotangent of 0 is defined as the x-coordinate over the y-coordinate. So at point A, the cotangent is undefined, which means we will have a vertical asymptote. Then I'm going to plug in pi over 4, which is point B. The cotangent of pi over 4 is 1, so I have this blue point. Then I'm going to plug in pi over 2. The cotangent of pi over 2, you're at point C. The cotangent of pi over 2 is 0. So we're going to have this red point. Then I'm going to plug in the point 3 pi over 4, which means you're at point D. The cotangent of 3 pi over 4 is negative 1, so you'll have the green dot. And then I'm going to plug in pi, so you're at point E. The cotangent of pi is undefined. So the basic cotangent function looks like the following. You can see that the period is pi, so like tangent, the period is always pi over b. And this is repeated, so I could go to the left at negative pi over 4. If you plug in negative pi over 4 or point H, you're going to get negative 1. If you plug in negative pi over 2 or we're at point G, you're going to get 0. If you plug in negative 3 pi over 4, meaning point F, the cotangent is 1. And if you plug in negative pi, you're at point E, the cotangent is undefined. So then you will have an asymptote at negative pi, and you could see the pattern here that the cotangent graph is simply repeated.